to stop.
Did you see that, honey?
I can't see.
Hello everyone. It's me, Thomas. Today I will answer some of your questions. Who wants to participate?
Hi Thomas. Hello Thomas.
Hello.
Hello Thomas. Hello guys. What have you been doing lately? I went to a javelin throw competition. Good job! Nice competition!
I went to buy some clothes for my dad.
Good job! Very nice!
I went with my grandpa on a train trip.
Good job! That was fun!
I helped my dad to clean the garage.
Good job! Well done! And now you can ask questions. Who wants to go first? What type of engine is Stafford? Stafford is a battery electric shunting engine. He usually works at Knapford Yards and Knapford Station Yard. Stafford is a humble, courteous little chap with a Yorkshire accent. He is a very different sort of engine from any other on the North Western Railway. This is because Stafford is an electric battery engine, he is not a steam engine or diesel engine.
What number is Duncan?
Duncan is number 6. He was built by Andrew Barclay's Sons Amp. Company. Duncan is powerful and can haul all but the heaviest trains, but he'd been given a short wheelbase that caused him to ride roughly at speed.
Who is Kelly?
Kelly is a mobile crane, who works for the Sodor Construction Company. He is the oldest member of the pack. Kelly is number 17.
Who is Ned?
Ned is an old and clumsy steam shovel, who works for the Sodor Construction Company. Ned mainly carries out clearance work and quarry digging. Ned is sometimes clumsy, but can always be relied on by his friends. Ned Lease number 19. Good job! Let's watch an episode by surprises and fun toys. I will ask you some questions at the end of the episode. In today's episode, we will watch Thomas is the fastest.
I am the fastest.
Are you sure?
Thomas, there is a special delivery at Brendan Docks. Bye bye.
Wow.
It is a jet engine.
Hurry up, Cranky.
It is too heavy. Be careful. Oops.
I am going too fast. I can't stop. I have to stop.
Did you see that, honey?
I can't see.
Where is my newspaper?
You always lose it.
I have to stop this jet engine.
Wow.
My eyes.
My coat of paint.
I can't see.
Bye-bye, Gordon.
What is that?
I can't stop. Please, stop.
Help me. Oh no, Percy. I am okay.
Wow, Thomas.
Yeah, it stopped.
Thomas, you are the fastest.
Oh, please. Bye bye.
Did you like the video?
Yes, I liked it. I liked the accidents.
Are you ready for the first question? Who does tell Thomas to go to Brendan Docks to get a special delivery?
Sir Topham Hatt tells Thomas to go to Brendan Docks for a special delivery.
I am the fastest.
Are you sure?
Thomas, there is a special delivery at Brendan Docks. Bye bye.
Good job, that is right. What happens to the jet engine when Cranky lowers it to Thomas?
When Cranky lowers the jet engine, it turns on by accident.
Wow.
It is a jet engine.
Hurry up, Cranky.
It is too heavy. Be careful. Oops.
Good job, that is right. Where is the grandpa reading a newspaper?
There's a grandpa reading a newspaper at the bus stop.
stop.
Did you see that, honey?
I can't see.
That is right. Good job. What does James tell Thomas when he arrives to Stafford station?
James tells Thomas that he is the fastest.
Thomas, you are the fastest.
Oh, please. Bye-bye.
Good job. That is right. Good job, everyone. See you next time to answer more of your questions here at Surprises and Fun Toys.
Thank you, Thomas, that was fun.
Bye-bye, Thomas. Bye, Thomas. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.